All right. How's everyone doing? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Market is open. Market is open. Let's see what happens today. Morning, Gio. I'm doing well. How are you doing this morning? Probably will keep the live stream very short today if we don't get any people joining, but I'm doing well. We do have 10 a.m. news today. I'll probably be waiting till 10. Kind of tired personally. Gotcha, yeah. Me as well. But it's Friday, so it's good. Some nice trades with iFVG last night, mainly this morning. Had short win, long win, long win. Another short win here, another long win there, and then a loss right here. So I mean, net 4R profit last night, so pretty good. Pretty good. What else do we got? I'm leaning a little bit bullish today. I would like to see us move higher. We'll see what happens, but some things are pointing bullish, so that is what I am watching for. We're in a long off this really tiny gap. Technically, if I was getting in this, I'd want to get in like here, which is about 40 points lower. So yeah, ideally it would have been an entry somewhere right here. So this isn't the best. This is not the best, but again, I'm leaning bullish, so that's what I'm watching. All right, it's still playing out here. Okay. So we need to hit 913. I think that's pretty reasonable. We did just sweep. No, we made equal highs with a hourly high. But looking on the hourly time frame, actually, I was thinking about longing myself actually at 712. So right here, there was actually a setup for how I'm trading for a long. Would have already been pretty much TP, but I didn't take it. This is just more of a setup on the hourly time frame for a little bit bigger of a trade. And that would have hit about 1.6R already. Again, I think 913 is pretty reasonable here. Just want to see us continue to hold these gaps. Want to see us continue to hold these gaps. Again, hourly time frame on pretty much everything. NQ, ES, YM all look very bullish. NQ is the weakest of them. YM is pushing very strong. ES is sweeping yesterday's 9 a.m. high. NQ is still about 140 points away from that. So do have an SMT there. Pretty high up in the range SMT though, so I'm not sure it'll hold or anything. Especially YM. YM is going for Tuesday's 9 a.m. high, it looks like. Going for Tuesday's 9 a.m. high. If you guys didn't see, Amazon yesterday dropped from 228 to 196. Pretty big drop, almost 14%. Nvidia is actually a little green from that. Let's see, Palantir, slightly green since yesterday, but still Palantir's been in a dumpster fire for last week since earnings. Tesla, I mean, yesterday Tesla was 387, so pretty low for Tesla. Apple's been doing pretty good actually in this sell-off. This market sell-off has been pretty good for Apple. Yeah, we're almost at all-time highs actually. We're at 280 almost. So Apple's doing strong. So anyway, all right, again, just swept an hourly high here. Looks like we got what, 1 point away from TP, so looks like we'll hit this. There it is, right? Nope. Okay, we tapped it to the tick. I'm counting it whether it gets filled or not. Whether that gets filled or not, I'm counting it as a win. My long from down here would have printed though. Didn't take it, but that was a nice, still a nice win there. So that puts us up 5R on the day with iFVG. You know what's crazy is just since yesterday, NQ is at this point up 700 points. That's quite a bit. I mean, we've been so volatile, man. This is iFVG. It's iFVG, man. I have Kiss in the background, but it doesn't trade for a while, so we'll be off the live stream by the time it takes anything. No problem. Yeah, pushing up well. Yep. That's very true, very true. Yeah, my TPs, one of my TPs would have been hit if I longed this setup down here. But yeah, I'm leaning bullish for the day. A lot of signatures and price, as they say in the fancy terms. Looks like we'll rebound somewhat, which we already have, you know, somewhat. But yeah, I'd like to see like 25, 180 today. In a short now, okay. Not a huge fan of this just because I am pretty bullish. We do have a bearish SMT at the high. YM is sweeping previous day high as well. So it's not the worst, but do I take every iFVG? Well, the bot takes what the bot settings are, so I don't trade every iFVG, but again, the bot, the algo, meets all the criteria for the iFVG, for the setup, for the amount of volume, momentum that's coming in, etc., etc., certain gap size. It'll take it. Yeah. I'd be done for the day, by the way, guys. I'd be done for the day already. This would put you, this trade right here would put you up 5R on the day. So if you're risking $200 a trade, you'd be up 1,000 after this trade, and before the market even opened, up 4R. So I would have been done already. This is just on a sim account at this point. And again, I already stated I'm leaning bullish today, so You're out. Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, I'd be done for the day at this point already, so it's all good. Whatever happens, happens. Let's see. Seems like every major stock is down like freaking 20% from the highs right now. The sad thing is I also bought Microsoft at like 500 back in November, I think, maybe earlier. And when it started getting to around 450, I was like, well, it's a bad sign when every single stock is green on the day except for Microsoft. That usually is a bad thing. When every other stock in that sector is green and Microsoft's red. So I thought about just getting out of my position, waiting it out a little bit. And now, because there's also a big gap on the daily time frame that I assumed we might fill, we just filled it, but it's at 395. So I'm down a solid 20% in Microsoft alone. But we'll be holding. We'll be holding, obviously, so. We will be holding. It's only a realized loss if you get out. All right, so again, YM did sweep previous day high. So let's see what happens, but you guys haven't seen the showcase last night, go check that out. Geo, you made $6 grand today, bro. Holy cow. You need to start teaching me how to make that much money, man. I don't make that much. Saved you, gotcha. We just hit 4,000 subs as well overnight. Pretty nice. Let's see. Thanks. I'll be doing the live streams next week from Hawaii on the laptop, so the quality of the live streams may go down a tiny bit. But if anyone's in Hawaii next week, in Honolulu area, let me know. I'm gonna wake up at 4 a.m. to trade. Just vacation, yeah. Be out there for 2 weeks. well, from Sunday afternoon I get there, then all week, and then all the previous week, pretty much. It's like 12 days, I guess. 13 days. Yeah, just vacation. Gonna trade out there a little bit. Good thing is, if I trade, I'll be done with my trading work day by about 7 a.m. there. So then you can go and do whatever you want the rest of the day. You just got to wake up a little early. Think about here on the east coast here. Well, I'm not on the East Coast, but you know, Eastern time zone. You wake up, I mean, you could be trading, could be working at my desk until 12 or 1 before I get up and do something. So I think I would rather be on West Coast time zone, Cali time. Wake up a little earlier, and then you got the whole entire day. Well, guys, I think we'll call the live here. It'll be a little short, right? It's only a 25-30 minute live or whatever. But I do expect us to just trend up for a little bit. We do have news at 10. I'm already up a ton with iFVG. We're going to call it there. I'll see everyone next week. Maybe I'll upload a video again today on the actual YouTube of the KISS algo as well. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Enjoy your Friday. I'll see everyone next week, guys.